Okay, this is the final page for the 1.3 notes. This is page 4 of 4. And in this one, we have a triangle. So let me draw a picture. Kind of a generic looking triangle. The shortest side is 6 less than the longest. So I'm going to say this is the longest side, and the shortest side is 6 less than that. And then it says the remaining third side is 2 inches less than the longest. So 2 inches less than the longest. And the perimeter is 28 inches. So we'll add all the way around. I'm going to start with the X. I'll start at the top and work clockwise. So here's the first part of the perimeter. Actually, it tells us the perimeter is 28, so I'm going to put 28 at the end there. X minus 2, that's the first, I've done that side so far. And I'm going to come across here. So plus the X minus 6. And then finally, we're going to go back home. So plus another X. And that perimeter is equal to 28. So I'm going to simplify at this point. 3x minus 8 equals 28. I'll take the 8 over and add it to the other side. So now I have 3x is equal to 36. And dividing by 3 takes us to x equals 12. And they want to know the dimensions of this thing. So this one here is 12. This one here is 12 minus 2 would be 10. And then 12 minus 6, the x is 12. 12 minus 6 would be 6. So the dimension is 12 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches. That's the dimensions of this triangle. Okay, the sides of a rectangle are in a ratio of 3 to 5. So it doesn't say that they're 3 and 5. It says they're in a ratio of 3 to 5. So if you think of a ratio, 3 to 5, if you multiply the top and the bottom by the same amount, any amount you want, you'll get the same. Like if you said times 7 and times 7 here, you get 21/35, but that's still 3/5. So I don't know how much we're multiplying. What you're going to do in these problems when it gives you a ratio like this is set it up like this, 3x and 5x. Now it talks about the perimeter, so we're going to need the other side lengths, and they're matching the ones across from them. So we're going to go around this thing. I'm going to start with the top and go down the side and back around again like that. That's how I'm going to do it. And so we'll go 5x plus the 3x, and then coming back across the bottom plus another 5x plus 3x. And that will equal 112. That's what it tells us. So this is 16x equals 112. And 112 divided by 16 would be the next step. So let me clear off my calculator and I'll try it. Looks like x equals 7. Now we want the side lengths of the triangle, so I got to come up here and say 3 times 7 is 21. And 5 times 7 is 35. So the dimensions are 21 meters by 35 meters. And that's the size of the rectangle. Okay, number 19, the largest of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers would be like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They're spaced 2 apart. Even numbers have a similar characteristic, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They're also spaced 2 apart. So I'm gonna call it the first odd number, the second odd number, and the third odd number. And you set these up the same way every time. Call the first one x, and the other one is 2 bigger than that. And the next one is 2 bigger than that, so that'd be x plus 4. And now let's see, the largest of them, we're talking about this one, okay, is okay, so here we go. X plus 4 is the largest. Is, put your equal sign, 21 less than twice the smallest. So 21 less than twice the smallest. So we're set up here. Okay, we got to solve this. I'm going to take the 4 that way and the 2x this way. That'll be x minus 2x. Over here, negative 21 minus 4. So that's going to get us to negative 1x equals negative 25. And I'll divide by negative 1 in this case. So x equals 25. So come back up here, 25. Add 2, 27. And add 2, and that'll be 29. Or you can say 25 plus 4. All right, the last one we're going to cover has this vocabulary, supplementary angles. And they are, in fact, angles that add up to 180 degrees. Then there's complementary angles that add up to 90 degrees. One of the angles is 27 less than twice its supplement. So first angle and second angle is how we're going to set this up here. If the first angle is x, then the other one is 27 less than twice that one. Now, supplementary angles add up to 180. So I'm going to add those, and it should add up to 180. Okay, we'll find the value of x by, first of all, taking the 27 over to the other side. I'll simplify when I do that. So this is 3x equals 207. And I'll divide by 3 here. All right, 207 divided by 3 coming up. I'm using my calculator here. It's 69. So we come up here and go, this one's 69. And the other one is 2 times 69 minus 27. And that's 111 degrees. Okay, that does it for the 1.3 notes, and I hope you find these videos helpful.